My name is Umesh Pawar. I'm 46 years old and I'm from Mumbai, basically in Dombivli, from Dombivli. Last year, I had very much pain in the hip. So I consulted with our local doctors, and I was told that this is AVN, avascular necrosis, and it was in my right hip. So when I consult with the doctors, they told me that you have to remove your hip. I mean, it's a complete replacement you have to do. But I don't want to do that replacement. So I was searching in the net, and I come across this therapy called Sahaj therapy. So when I search it, I research it, I found that this is one of the way to preserve your hip. So I consult with the doctors. I consult with this hospital, Sahaj Hospital, and last week on Friday, 20th July, I had gone through this procedures. Uh, After this process, I am feeling very good. My pain is almost gone. Slight pain is there, and comfortably I had gone this process. The staff here is very good. They are very cooperative, very attentive, and given me good informations, everything, all the informations, and it's almost all the good people, all the very cooperative people, even doctors, nurses, and everybody. Thank you.